All right, we're here with USF commit Chris Bivens. Chris, tell us why you committed to USF.
Like USF is like I wouldn't say it's a dream school, but they've been recruiting me the hardest since I started my junior year. They were the first to offer me, and then like it's just a family-oriented school. I like the program. The coaches are real cool. The players are real cool, and like it's just real family-oriented. I can see myself playing for the next 4 years.
All right, and are you still getting recruited by any other schools?
Yeah, like it's like a bunch of schools have Facebooked me and like they've talked to me, asking me if I still want to be recruited. Arkansas, Florida, Kentucky, I said Florida?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, South Carolina. Like it's still a few more schools that still recruiting me. So.
All right, do you have any interest in those schools?
Yeah, I'm still interested in. I'm not really looking too much, but I'm still interested in seeing like what all the other schools are looking at, because like most of the schools we're still looking at, I haven't visited them yet. So I'm still gonna look at them as much as I can, and I'm talking to my dad about everything, seeing about the visits and everything. So me and him are still talking everything over, and hopefully we'll have a verdict by the time official visits start.
All right, and are you planning to take all your officials?
Possibly.
Okay, and how solid is your commitment to USF right now?
It's really there. It's like I talk to the coaches pretty much every day or every other day. We talk about my recruitment and my commitment to the team, and I'm just happy to be a Bull right now.
All right, and you're playing here with future teammate Sean Price. What do you think about him, and what kind of relationship do you have with him?
Oh man, he's a beast off the field, and he's just like a friendly person. I mean, he's a beast on the field and a friendly person off the field. He's real cool. I can see myself chilling with him in our room and just playing with him whenever we get on the field. But I just love the guy. Me and him, we have a good relationship.